this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can add very eye-catching text to your marketing images in Canva so that they really stand out in the feed and also on your website. First way we're going to look at is to search for custom font combinations. Now, here I am in Canva, and over here on the left-hand side, I'll tap on text. Now, they have the option for add a heading, add a subheading, but this just gives you quite a basic result. Be aware that they have loads of professional designers working at Canva, and they've created lots of really eye-catching font combinations. So you could search here for a topic like sale, and then they have lots of sale-related ones. For example, I could select huge sale, and then I could manipulate this. I could change the word huge to mega. I could also select a word, and up here we could change the color, and I could make that red, or I could make it any color I want. Let's go with red. So we have these professional font combinations that look very professional. Most people wouldn't know how to create the word sale there with that little font option. I could select big sale up to 50% off. And if I wanted to change the word from big to something else, I could. Now I'm pretending that I have a menswear shop and we have a spring sale up to maybe 40–50% off. So I could select wild sale, and I could change the word wild to spring. And I'm going to leave 50% off, but just so you know, I could change 50% to 30%. I've actually deleted everything here, and that might happen to you. That's the undo button there. So I'm going to leave it at 50% off, but I could, if I wanted to, change it to 30% off. You can tailor any of the words in here. I'll bring down spring sale, and now I have something that looks very professional, very slick, as if a professional graphic designer had worked on it. If you're new to Canva, be aware that some of these are pro, so you'd need to be paying your monthly fee, or any of the ones without pro you can use for free. Also up here, if instead of sale, I could search for Christmas. And now if you scroll down, they have lots of Christmassy looking fonts that you could add to your designs. Coming up to Valentine's, you could search for love. And now we have lots of love related font combinations. The second way of creating eye-catching graphics would be to enhance what we have here. What if we were to put this on a colored surround? And also what if we were to animate it? On the left-hand side here, we have an option called elements. And when I tap on elements, there's lots of things that we can choose. And one of them is shapes. If I click see all, we have all these shapes, and shapes really are shapes that you put text or graphics into. So I could select a circle here and make the circle bigger, and then put my text in that circle. Why don't we move everything up here a little bit? And then if I wanted to change the color of the circle, click here, and you can choose the colors that are within the image that is on the canvas. So I might choose that brown there. Now that doesn't look too bad, but to add a little bit of professionalism to this, what you could do is just click on the shape and come up here to transparency, and then just make it a little bit transparent. Now if I made it fully transparent, you wouldn't see the circle at all. But if I went to around 50%, 55, 60, you would see the outline of the circle, but you can also see through it, and you can see our model there at the back as well. It just looks more designed if you were to add a little bit of transparency to the color within your shape. The next thing we could do is we could add some animation to this. So I'll select the word spring, I'll go animate, and up here I could select any of these animations. If I hover my mouse, you can see the animation. So this is shift, this is burst. So I might select burst, and then for sale I could go animate, and maybe I will go stump. And then for up to 50% off, I could choose a different animation if I want, and I might go with wiggle. So now if we click play here, or we go full preview, you'll see what it looks like in social media. So if you were to share that as a post, there is no play button because this is a video. When you add animation to an image, it's no longer an image, it's a video. If I go share, download, it's an MP4 video. And when you share an MP4 video on social media, it automatically plays. Nobody needs to click play. So that's the second option Once you have added your professional font combination, you could add some animation. You could add a colored surround and make that a little bit transparent. That would look very eye-catching. The next thing we're going to look at is how to browse through and choose one of their professional font combinations rather than searching by topic. So let's get stuck in and see how this works. On the left-hand side, if you click on text, instead of searching for a topic like sale, you could just scroll down and look at all their professional font combinations. So you're not searching by topic. This time you're just browsing and you're asking yourself, what do I like the look of? So some of these are pro, and if you're paying your monthly fee, you could use any of these, but actually they have loads of free ones. So scroll down, you'll see that they have lots of beautiful ones. I'm just going to choose this one here that says thank you. Now I don't actually want to say thank you. I want to say spring sale. So I could click on the word thank and change it to spring. And for you, I could change it to sale. So let's try this again. Sale. So when you're looking at any of these professional font combinations, forget the words that they're using because they had to choose some word. Just think about what it is you want to say, and then you can change the text yourself. And then we know from the previous example that I could click on spring and I could go animate, and I could have that burst in, and then I could click on sale and animate, and I could use another here stump. And now I have something that looks very eye-catching if I was to send that out on social media. The next method we're going to look at is using their graphics, and they have thousands of graphics that can really make your designs look eye-catching. So on the left-hand side here, you're going to click on elements, and when you're on elements, you can just type in whatever word you want. So I'm going to type in sale, and then I'll select graphics. Now we have loads of graphics that we can add to our image. So for example, some of these are pro and some of these are free. So if I was to just take a free one here, like bestseller, I could now have that bestseller graphic on my image. Now up here they have a filter, and when you click on the filter, you can actually select free. I want to see free graphics to do with the topic of sale. Makes it much easier. And you notice that some of these are animated and some of them are static. So I could also search for animated. I want free animated graphics. Now all of these are free and they're animated. So I could select sale. I could put that there, and then I could change the search to 50% off. And now I could use any of these because they're free animated ones, and I could select that there. And then I could put this underneath sale, maybe move it up a little bit. And that looks very professional and eye-catching. So there are 4 ways that you can add eye-catching text to your marketing images using Canva. Hope you found this useful. If you did, why not hit that subscribe button? It would be a big help to the channel.